In life, we meet thousands of people, and none of them really touch you. But then you meet that one person, and your life changes forever. You are that person to me. There's not a single thing that I would have changed in my life, knowing that it would have led me to you.
Come walk with me down the only road we know. Come talk with me, stay and watch the day grow. I've been waiting for the moment to arrive.
Since meeting you, you have been my first thought in the morning and my last thought at night before I fall asleep. You've made my smile bigger and my heart feel fuller. You have made me feel more loved than I ever thought was possible. You understand me and accept me in a way no one else has, in a way that I believe no one else can.
I was waiting for the moment to arrive. I was waiting for the moment to arrive. I wouldn't miss it for the world. We were waiting for the moment to arrive.
I give you this ring as a symbol of our love for today and tomorrow, and for all the days to come. Wear it as a sign of what we have promised on this day, that I have chosen you above all else. With this ring, I thee wed. I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of our love
as a symbol of our love for today and tomorrow, and for all the days to come. Wear it as a sign of what we have promised on this day, that I have chosen you above all else. With this ring, I do wed.
And now, by the power of your love and commitment and the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife.
When I was approached by Janelle and Julien to be their MC for the wedding, I was thrilled. I was really excited. They said they wanted it to be a big party. They said they wanted everyone to have fun. And I believe when they said that, my exact thoughts were... Turn it up if you can. Now this looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me. Can we get a little matrimony? Let's have some fun in harmony. Now this looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me. Come on now, are you ready? We're about to start the festivities. Hello everybody, my name is Eric. I am Daniel's cousin and I'm here to say it quick. I'm on a duty, I'm seeing the banquet. You made the right choice and I'll make it apparent. We were always close and we keep going closer. As kids we would spend most nights in the summer, staying up all night and watching a burger. Knowing when the day is only 2 minutes younger. You remember those days going up for 4 days, walking back home to practice our plays. We put on a show for the whole family, from the wrestling fans to the Pokemon trade. What I'm trying to say is we go way back. Now I'm standing here rapping over this great track. I'm so proud of you and that spit straight facts. You are who you are. And people they praise that. Your husband, for example, let's face it, I ain't mad. The first time I met him, I knew he was a great cat. That's like finding a needle in a haystack. Let's toast to that, take a glass and raise that. Let's have some fun in harmony. Now this looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me. Pull out now. Are you ready? We'll start the festivities. Alright now, let's move from the bride to the groom. I'm talking about the guy who shines in the room. When he's lying like the sky by the moon, always in a good mood from July to June. Not only is he smart, handy and a good guy, he's got a big heart like a nanny that could fly. You can't tear apart. His family, that's no lie, I know from the start. His parents is so right. For that reason, it's easy to the mind that you ain't leaving. You're stuck with us now and you better believe it. I'm only teasing, we're pretty pleasing. Now it's time for you to keep growing that family with love, with laughter. Do it wholeheartedly. Follow these steps, your son I grew up so happily. And when it gets hard, don't forget you got whiskey. Testing, attention please. Well, it looks like the for me. I hope you liked it, cause this wasn't free. You'll see how you'll see when you see the feed. Now this looks like a job for me. Everybody, just follow me to lead a little matrimony. Let's have some fun and harmony. Now this looks like a job for me. Everybody, just follow me. Come on, now. Are you ready? We're about to start the festivities.